So you enter that in the calculator. Yeah, because these are calculators. Yes, I can't be worried. So let's go to 7. Exercise 7, which is mixed. Okay.
Yeah, there's some hard
Right.
questions.
Right. So right. Um. Okay. So again here, the problem is in missing the roots. Okay, or missing the steps
Oh, okay.
because you can't move from here to here. Yeah, you will lose marks.
So I should
The
write
first step
7
here
plus 9
is 7, 6
plus 9.
plus plus 9, and then from there you come here. So if this question had 2 marks, you're going to see you lose 1 mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, not helpful at all. The same this one. Okay, so what you have here, right? This is the problem. So you have 2, sorry, d to power minus 4 over d to power 6. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be d to power minus 4 minus 6, which gives you d to power minus 10, which is
Okay.
what the answer get here.
Okay.
When we divide, we subtract the indices. You agree?
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Right. That's the problem. When you miss steps, you actually get questions wrong, which are so simple. Yeah.
Mm.
Here should be minus 4 minus 6, which is going to be d to power minus 10, which is 1 over d to power 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, again, the same problem. So you need 8
Times 3.
times 3 so that we can see how you got 24. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Um, the same here. Okay. So here, what have you got? You have got 14 to power 2.
Plus a half.
Yeah, plus a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is in what you got here. Here, again, you're supposed to have p to power 2
Times a half.
multiplied by half. Yeah, so get this because these are very easy. So if yourself you get it wrong, there's going to be a big gap in the marks. Yeah,
Yeah.
because everybody else has done well. Yeah, that's
Mm-hmm.
the problem. Okay, so this one here says what is it? It's F. Let me see what F is. So 9 to power minus 2. Okay, and then fourth root of that, so that's 1/4. So you add this. Okay, so this is 8 over 2. Sorry, over 4, and 8 over 4. Okay, plus 1. You're going to have 7. You should leave them as a fraction. Okay, don't put them decimals.
Oh,
So
okay.
this will be minus 7 over 4.
Okay.
I hope this is correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This one here, so this is 1/3 again. We don't know where it came from. Why did you do this correctly? And then you change again here. So you have 1/3, so 23 to power 1/3 minus that's 2, that's 6 over 3. If I subtract this, what do I get? I get it 5 minus 5 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so leave them in fractions.
All
So
right.
this is 23
Mm-hmm.
to power minus 5 over 3. Okay, this one here, what happened? You have, so first, you are subtracting this, which is 8.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you multiply. So again, you need to multiply by 8, yeah, which gives you that. This one here, 1/4, so 1/4 minus a half. Okay, so this should be q to power 1/4 minus a half. Okay, so what we see here, a half is going to be 4 over what? Over 8. No, we want a 4. So if this is 4, and want this to be 4, so we need to multiply by 2. So it's going to be 2 over 4. So this is 2 over 4. Therefore, it's going to be q to power minus 1/4. So this is wrong.
Ah.
Come on. Right, can you see? So 1 take away 2 is going to be q to power minus 1/4. And 1/4 is 0.25. Yeah, so this is wrong. Okay. This one, okay, so you have, so this is going to be 12 to power 2/3. And this is 2/3, so plus another 2/3, because it's a minus, yeah? So minus is going to be plus. So this gives you 4/3. So the answer here should be 12
to the power of
4/3. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So this one here, again, you just needed to multiply because that's what is missing here. So you see 4 multiplied by minus 1/3. Okay, which give you this. Okay, so this is fine. It's just you're missing the steps. Okay, this is Ki. What happens to K? Couldn't do anything. You were kicked, is it?
I did K. I did.
It's
I
I.
did. Huh?
It's L. Sorry. So this is L.
Oh, yeah. I didn't do L. I didn't do O and P.
Okay, let's do L. Okay, so L says 1 over R to power 1/4. And then you're going to multiply by R to power 3 over 2, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. So we need to work this first. So if we work this out, it's going to be R to power minus 1/4. And then we are multiplying by R to power 3 over 2. Therefore, this is going to be R to power 3 over 2 minus 1/4. All right. So this is going to be R to power 6 over 4 minus 1/4, which gives us R to power 5 over 4. That's the answer.
Okay.
So easy.
Oh, okay. Oh, again, you like take away the 1.
Now 1/4, we wanted the bottom, the denominator to be the same. That's the way you have been told. You have been told to get the fraction, the denominator to be the same. So we need to multiply that by 2, multiply the bottom by 2. Okay.
I get it. Yeah.
Okay. Go to the next one. Okay, so this one here is 21 to power minus 3 and 21 to power minus half. No, 3 over 2. What question is that? This is M. Okay, so let's see. So M say 21 to power minus 3 divided by 21 to power minus 3 over 2. So this is going to be 21 to power 3 minus 3 over 2. And this becomes 21 to power 3 plus 3 over 2. Okay, so this is going to be 21 to power 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it's 9 over 2. That should be the answer. Or the other way is leaving 21 to power 3 and 3 over 2. or 4.5. So n of those.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Ask.
I'm thinking of a question. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
use
Uh,
your brain. Mm-hmm.
so but it says 21 to the power minus 3.
Hmm?
So the question, it says 21 to the power minus 3 in the whiteboard.
Oh, it's -3. Sorry. Yeah, this should be plus. So this is minus. I made a mistake there. Yes. So let's change it. Yes, I've written it wrong.
Mm.
So what we need is to change this. Okay. So we need to change this so that it's easier for you to work, us to work. Okay. So this one here, okay, 3 is the same as 6/2. Yeah. So it's going to be 21 to power 3/2 minus 6/2. Okay, so this is exactly that. So this is going to be equal to, so now we can take it, so 21 to power minus 3/2. Yeah, that's the correct answer.
Okay.
Yeah, I copied this wrongly. You see, I started losing from here.
Mm-mm.
Now, if they have taught you to multiply the denominator, remember this is over 1. That's one thing but I'm not explaining. Any number is always divided by 1. Okay, that's what it is. So because you want to have the same denominator like this one, then you multiply this bottom by 2 and you do the same to the top. That's how I got 6/2. You follow? This bit is that one there. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. So now I've got the bottom which are the same. Can you see? That's where you have been taught at school.
Ah, I'm sorry, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm happy.
Okay. Good. Yeah. We can't have so many miserables because there's a corona
Nah,
miscellaneous.
if you're miserable, you're dead.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I'm not weak,
All
you
right.
know.
And then
You know, lots
what
of
happened?
people have mental issues because they don't like staying inside.
It's nice to be at home.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, enjoy your chicken and
Exactly.
Yeah. Why people don't like that? I have no clue.
Yeah, like our ancestors like fight each other, kill each other. All you need to do is stay inside, you know?
Yeah, but I think people just see some of these people they make their brain not work. That's the
Yeah.
problem. All right. So from N to P, you didn't do N, yeah? Okay. So let's work. Yeah, let's go through and then concentrate as I'm explaining. So I'm going to start with N, right? So I'm going to write. So 2 to power 4. And you are multiplying by 1 over the cube root of 2. Yeah, make sure you check it's correct. Yeah, multiply by 2 to power minus half. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Right. So what you see here is this one, yeah, which we need to change. So the first step, we're going to leave these as they are, these two. Okay. So we're going to have 2 to power 4 multiply by 1 over this here is the same as 2 to power 1/3. Okay, and we're multiplying by 2 to power minus a half. Okay, so that's the second stage. In fact, this will be first stage anyway, because this is what already there. Okay, so next, I'm going to change it only this. So 2 to power 4 multiply by this here is the same as 2 to power minus 1/3. And then multiply by 2 to power minus a half. So you can see now all these are the same. They're the same base. So all I need is 2. I'm going to have 4. Okay, and then I'm adding, so plus minus 1/3. Okay, plus minus a half. Come on, don't freeze.
I'm not freezing. I'm trying to understand.
It's this one which is freezing. I
Oh,
think it's not eating enough chicken.
I'm no. Oh my god, my mom's making all vegetable curries, you know, because she's scared
Is
to
it?
get corona, you know.
Okay. This is over one, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. And so this is 3. Okay. So what we need is to make the denominator, okay, yeah, of these fractions the same. Right?
yeah,
So you can see the only thing we can do here is a 6. Okay. So which means if this is going to be 6, so this is going to be 6, which means we multiply by 2. This is going to be 2 and times 4. There are 2 times 4 is 8. So it's going to be 8 over 2. This one here is going to be 4. Yeah. So it's going to
yeah.
be 2 over 4.
Okay.
Do you follow?
Yeah, I follow.
Okay. So let's do that. So 2, this is it. Remember, we are going to make it, we are multiplying by 2. So if I multiply this by 2, I'm going to get it 6. Right. So if I multiply this about 6, then I need all of these to be 6. Okay. Yeah. So each one this need to be 6. So what do I need to multiply 1 by to get a 6?
6.
Yeah. So 6. So if I multiply this by 6, it means this I need to also multiply by 6. So it's going to be 24 over 6 plus. Now this I'm multiplying by 2. It's not plus, it's minus. Okay, so I have minus. I'm multiplying by 2, so it's going to be 2 over 6. Do you follow?
Oh, okay. I get it. I get it.
Yeah, then this again is minus. So minus, I'm multiplying this by 3, aren't I?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 times this is
3
going to be, yeah,
yeah,
6. And it means going to be 3
over 6.
over 6.
Mm-hmm.
So now all the denominators are the same. So I just need to worry. I can subtract this separately. Okay. So finally, it's going to be 2 to power 24 take away 2 is going to be 22. 22 take away 3 will be
19.
19.
So 19 over 6.
Yeah, 19 over 6.
Okay.
Yeah. And leave them in fraction, don't simplify them.
So you don't do it in the improper fraction. So 3 over 1 over 6. And
You can
then
do that. You can do that if you want to do, but
okay.
definitely there's no need. There's no need at all.
Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
can you go up a bit?
Hmm?
Can you go can you like move the whiteboard a bit up?
Nope. I got how far can you see?
I could see 2
Can
to
you see
3
up to
miles.
here?
Yeah. I could see the line. That's
Okay, so let me put up because this doesn't move. Come on, don't freeze. Okay, so what I've had there is 2 to power 24.
Oh, I see the whole thing now. This is
You
cool.
can see, okay. Yeah.
Hey sir, how long have you been using the software?
Which software? This one?
Yeah.
No, I've been using it for a long time. Only the problem I have is that there's a congestion now. The
Oh,
demand of these services is very high because everybody is at home. Remember, also they cater for universities. So you have
oh,
universities, colleges, private individuals. So you can imagine. That's why time and again is freezing. You are lucky enough because at least you have never failed completely.
yeah.
Yeah, but the other students sometimes, especially those who are all from overseas, it's difficult.
Oh, you teach overseas students.
I have some students who are not here; they are outside the country.
Oh, wow.
Hmm.
So the accents like different, you know?
What accent
Yeah, accents.
or accessing? You mean
No, accents. So like
accent?
their
Hmm.
language.
Yeah, well, yes, because they don't in the English, they don't speak English. The English is not their first language. They have to learn in class like you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're going to turn English into Gujarati if you want.
Gujarati people talking English, you can't understand. They talk with like a a ring, you know. So
Well,
ring,
that's all right.
you we say rubber, they'll be like rubber.
Yeah, that's all right. It doesn't matter.
They like there's like talking Chinese, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I hear them, you know. I'm done. I finished.
Okay. All right. So let's take the next one.